Welcome to the Pro Traders official YouTube page. Thank you for tuning in. The Pro Traders Academy is a platform where we teach people how to trade Forex the professional way. My name is Uncle Clint. I'm the founder of the Pro Traders Academy. I'm also a senior mentor and a coach in the Pro Traders Academy, where we share with you the powerful insight into Forex trading and how you can make money the legitimate and easy and, of course, the consistent way in the Forex business. I want you to understand that this series is designed to teach you and show you the forex scams, the things that happen in the forex market that you are not aware of, especially for beginners. The series is titled The Forex Scams, the scams that are existing in this forex industry. We're here to expose them, and we would love to have you be informed and learn about how these things really work and how they get to take your money. Now, if you're not in the industry, if you're a beginner in this industry, you will find it very, very hard to discover these things. But if you get to play in this industry for a month or two or three, you will start seeing so many of the things we're sharing in this video. The first video, we talked about the posers. The posers are the people who pretend to be forex traders. They make it look like they know what they're doing. They make it look like they're making so much money in this industry, and then they get to lure you in, and then before you know, you keep losing all your money, not knowing that you're following a wolf in a sheep's skin. All right. The second video we did was the brokers. We talked about how the brokers actually go after your money indirectly, using things like leverage, using things like doubling of your capital, and so on. These are ways that the brokers can use to take your money. And then this video, the third one, we're talking about the people we call network marketers. Yes, network marketers. Network marketers are all over the place right now trying to promote Forex. The truth is that network marketers, wherever you find them, their key interest is in the network marketing, the money they make through network marketing. But then they promote their business around a particular product. It could be a sales of a particular product or a service. In this scenario, they are mostly talking about Forex and making it look like they're making a whole lot of money from Forex. The truth is that network marketers will always make their money through network marketing, which is what a referral business. Now, don't get it twisted. It's not like they can't learn forex and they actually make the money. But the truth is that there's so much going on in their industry, like the whole recruiting, that makes it very hard for them to even concentrate on learn forex trading. They will make it look like they're making money from forex, but they're not making money from forex. So when you join this kind of persons who pretend or say they're making money through forex, they will tell you all sort of things, how much they make through forex and all that. But the truth is that they can't guide you, they can't mentor you, they can't coach you. And we are very, very keen about mentorship, guidance, and all that in this forex business. Now you realize that the money you're paying might just be a money to join a crowd like a supporter crowd, like it's like paying to join a particular political party and not really get any guidance whatsoever. You would have ended up paying that money to an educational system that is ready to really teach you. All right. But when you join a crowd of network marketers, the next thing you're going to be expected to do is to do the recruitment as well and to make your money from there. Or you find your way through the whole system. Now, most of the systems might be designed around education, where they tell you you're going to get education and all that, educational tools and trading tools. Some of the network marketing system there's marketing forex right now could also be designed around robots. They will tell you about how robots is going to trade for you and make you a lot of money and all that. Now, then there's some that will be designed around they will be telling you how someone is going to trade for you, like they call them master traders and all that. Now, one thing about network marketers, they sound very convincing, they sound very real, very true. The truth is, to some extent, yeah, but they believe in what they're selling and what they're selling works. But the truth, there's so much noise in the industry of network marketing. When you get involved in the network marketing business model of forex, the truth is that you're going to lose focus. You're not going to be able to learn forex very well because it's a lot of noise, and this forex business doesn't need all that noise. Even when you become a professional forex trader, you are not going to be needing too much noise in your life. You're going to want to be in an environment that is very calm, very cool, where your head is always calculated, where you actually focus on analysis, studying of your charts, and of course, the fundamentals around your trading business. You don't need all that noise, all this chaotic lifestyle, all this, there's a whole lot of stuff you're going to cut away from your life when you become a forex trader, professional forex trader. So what I tell you is this: why people would now end up saying they've been scammed is because the forex business wasn't flowing very well when they joined a network marketing business that is promoting forex. Now you're going to end up probably regretting that you lost your money and all that, and that you didn't gain value. Oh well, it's unfortunate. it's a two-way thing. It's either you go in there and dig out and find out what you need to grow in the Forex industry, or you just go find yourself an educational system where you're paying directly to an educational provider who's going to teach you, coach you, mentor you, and show you what you need in the Forex business. Don't you ever think that you're going to get into those network marketing businesses and then you make money like they are saying, because the truth is that they are not making that money in trading. Most of them don't really know trading like that. They have not focused on learning the trading, and they are only promoting the Forex in a network marketing system, and they're making their money through network marketing. So I would advise you, if you really want to learn Forex, take the money you want to put into any business that looks like a network marketing business and give it to a professional trader. I don't always advise people to give money to someone to trade for them. I mean, when I say a professional trader, someone who's ready to teach you, someone who have an educational system, not someone who's just going to blab and tell you little things about this thing. Learn to pay your bills, pay your dues. Meet someone who's ready to mentor you, spend time with you, and give you a professional guidance in Forex. Don't always be looking for free training. You are not going to land yourself a successful spot in this industry. Get to link up with us at Pro Traders Academy. We are going to show you all you need to grow and become a successful trader. My name is Uncle Clint once again. I'm glad to have shared this nugget with you, and I hope to meet you in our subsequent videos. If you haven't watched the ones before this one, please go back and watch them. We have the ones in this Forex scam series. You need to watch the posers, you need to watch the brokers, and of course here we talked about the network marketers. There's much more to come. Stay connected, tune into our channel, stay subscribed, so that whenever we drop a new video, you can always catch it quick and learn more from us. Thank you once again. We hope to see you at the top. Cheers.